Whoa! What's wrong with that bird?
Let's go see the parrots.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's very big. That's a big.
Look how pretty.
Wow.
That scared you? Elijah. Elijah. Hi, Tita. Oh my goodness.
Taking out my shoes.
Oh no. Say gentle, Sean.
Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle.
Sean.
No.
Titi. Oh. Get up there on top of the umbrella. Yeah, mira Titi. Yeah, man.
Dude, I know you have bird crap on me.
I know, I'm sure I do too. Oh, this is great.
He thinks it's funny.
That bird's mimicking a child.
Peekaboo, ready? Where'd the birdie go? Where's the birdie? Ready? Peekaboo! There's the birdie. Snimak ja, snimak. Snimak ja.
Wala. Pabo to amo ah. Aha, go. you okay?
Okay, wait. Should we put this on America's Funniest Videos?
Easy, baby.
I got it. I got it.
Miriam, be careful. Don't pull out their tail feathers.
I will not.
Okay, we'll be gentle with them. Oh, you don't want them to hurt you. Suckstar says I'm getting out of here. Oh, I think the Blossom likes you the most.
Mason, do not run her over.
What's
What's in your house, Lydia? What is it? Is it a bird? What's your house?
So choose the daddy. You got one?
Yep.
You got seven.
Shoo him off. Say, get. Oh.
Dave!
What's inside of it? Open my mouth. Open. Oh, it's a chicken. No. Okay.
Go ahead, make him bounce.
Put it back in the box. Okay. Put it back in the box. Okay. Thank
Ya se te va a ir de las manos.
Watch the ducks. Go that way.
Just come here.
Smile.
It's Ronnie Bird. Don't be afraid. Just loud. Just a little bit noisy. Look at the camera.